Guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is I.
Alright, so I'm here at John's house because John has a shed. John's gonna try and convert it into some dope little summer hideout, like a little crib. I'm gonna chuck a few of John's little like shed Instagram stories up on the screen right now.
There's a big thing in the corner, you know what I mean? That boy big. I mean big, big. Yo! That boy alive. That's how you deal with spiders, kids.
John's got a tarp. We're gonna install this little tarp. You know, do some other stuff. Yo, John, the hose is leaking.
I told you there was water in it.
Man's got a doggo. Oh, John, it's you.
Come on, man.
Yo, I may or may not have just been bitten by a spider.
I'm gonna get a knife.
Alright, well, the tarp installed. It's pretty nice. Pegged it down with sticks in the corners. A little brick at the back just to keep a bit of tension on it.
I'm gonna chuck the mattress out.
Yo, we got some vibing beats, John. Alright, reveal in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Got a mattress here. Got a nice little carpet. Cord coming out of John's shed, out of John's room. Goes along the ground, through here, under the tramp. And boys, she reaches.
I smell the oil burning.
Oh, that was so solid. Oh, let's get some cinematics, eh? Ooh, sick.
Some really good cook.
There were some beautiful fries. When we do 24 hours on a tree, John, you're going to be the chef. Chef John. The air hockey in here now. We got a nice little bit of table. Got the monitor. Ooh, got PS4 now. Got some power. It's finally coming together. We're going to put some lights up soon. We got 3 packs of these LED lights. We've got all the lights on now. Put a nice strip up the middle. Another one on the other side there. It's getting pretty lit. John forgot his camera. Dude, look at that sunset. Flip check, John. Yo! Man's popping off. Alright, this is a trial vlog for in the summer when I'm gonna hopefully do daily vlogs, you know, maybe. Yeah, let's go, wee boy! How far are we now, John? How far are we?
Literally down there, and then we're there.
Like, down there, like literally just down there. Run, 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 run. Buddy's gone cuckoo. Look at these dope urban shots. Wheels. Fat rip. Alright, me and Johnny boy. We just went to Macca's, got McFlurries and hot sundaes. Hit it, John, hit it, John. Hey. Yeah, where are we gonna go now, John? 7-Eleven, all the way down there. When I say red light,
You say
green light. Yo, we made it to 7-Eleven. Is it Slurpee time, John?
Yeah.
What flavor should I get? We just got our slurps. About to go head over to the shed. Sorry, doggy, you can't come in. You'll give us all fleas. Yo, we got Minecraft. So, I'm just gonna do a little time check. It is 10:06. We moved the mattress, so the mattress was originally on this side here. And now we've moved it over to this side because the shed slopes down towards the PlayStation. Me and John about to spend the night in here. 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
How Asian is John's speaker? Just better go to sleep. I'll see you in the morning. It's now 7:05 the next day. It's light outside. Getting ready for school. Me and John better go get ready to school. We're both completely dead. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is sort of like a trial vlog for I'm going to try and do it daily in this hour. Alright. Oh! That's bright. Overnight challenge in a shed. Completed. Goodbye, shed.